good to show you what it looks like to communicate with a tree when it doesn't have leaves, so you can actually see the branch moving. I just want to give you some love, tree. Thank you for being here. Thank you for keeping us grounded. Can you touch my hand? Thank you for cleaning our air. Thank you for making a house for the birds. Touch my hand if you understand me, so I can show everybody how to communicate with nature, how to show thanks, how to show love, and that magic is real in the world if you try, and if you have good intentions. I feel the energy connecting with my palm. I'm imagining sending love vibrations. Thank you for regulating my nervous system. Thank you for helping me remember how to stay rooted and present. And that we are all connected. I love you, tree. I hope you flourish this summer. Thank you for connecting with me. Thank you. And thank you for grounding my energy, healing me. You're very sweet. Bye-bye.